Hey makers, it's Joel from Maker Studio back with another CoBuild19, and today our lesson comes as a suggestion from Ida Mae Craddock, who is the librarian at Albemarle County High School in Virginia. And her lesson is simply to take a walk. So let's talk about that. So taking a walk seems like a really simple thing, but we all know that that's where we come up with our best ideas, right? So Ida Mae has come up with a way to incorporate this into a lesson that you can work on with your children who are at home. And the challenge is this. She took her daughter on a walk and gave her the challenge to create an animal and a habitat for that animal out of trash that they found along the way. So the way that it works is this. Go take a walk with a trash bag with you, and along the way pick up any trash that you might find, and try to be mindful and pay really close attention to the things that are around you and to the trash that you're picking up, because you might find inspiration in those things. All right, once you've gathered up all of these things, bring them back home with you, lay them out, rearrange them into different configurations, and see what comes of that. See what if there's an animal shape that comes out of it, or if there's some kind of structure that you see in the pieces and parts that you have. And then the final step really is just to assemble those things into the thing that you found inspiration in.
For my animal challenge, I decided to make a blackbird, a red-winged blackbird that we saw on our walk.
So create an animal out of the trash, create the habitat where that animal would live, also out of the same trash that you've collected.
I found a tray outside, so I used that. And here it is, and my animal was a pig.
Did you have to create an animal?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my pig. And it has a little tail. And it has a flower and eyes. And it has like a little house.
I think they call that a sty, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is its little pen where it eats this lavender.
I think that's a trough.
And this is a mud puddle.
What do pigs need a mud puddle for?
They play in it.
Oh, okay.
And this is like a little field they can play in, and a little bush of flowers.
So the way that this project came to be was Ida Mae thinking about an artist that she was familiar with named Marina Debris, whose artwork really addresses trash and sustainability, and she incorporates found objects into the art that she creates. So there's a lot of different directions that you could take this kind of really simple lesson. Again, this is one of those low floor, high ceiling lessons that you can use for a lot of different things. For example, you can use it to talk about sustainability and about trash and about what goes into our landfills. You can also use it as an opportunity to talk about ecology and biology and animals and the habitats that they live in, and how does the animal match the habitat, and things like that. So there's a lot of different directions that you can really take a simple lesson like this. So again, make sure that you take lots of pictures, because we really want to see what you are making during this period of quarantine. For this one, use the hashtag #TrashTreasures, and then also tag with the hashtag CoBuild19. Hope you have fun, and we'll see you again.